We've all seen video and pictures of my Enterprise here. I think it looks pretty good. This isn't what I'm here to show. I'm trying out the lighting on this old Bird of Prey. And I'm honestly thinking of gutting what I've done. I'm going to possibly put this as a separate thing, have a little switch I can hit and turn that on separately. Ooh, good lord. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to have to gut this thing. But I got a lot of little things lit. As you can see, I've got the baffles removed. I'm working on, well, these are hinged, so I'm working on making it so they can actually go into the different flight modes. And of course, you know, all the little windows and everything are drilled out. Engine. Now, I recently got some better reference on this engine, and I may have to redo this completely. The shape's wrong, but whatever. In the meantime, that's how it looks. Good lord. And yeah, this is actually running off of regular light bulbs. We're talking incandescents. And I probably need to remove those and put some LEDs in, but this thing was built, heck, back when I first got married. So it's 7 years old now. Anyway, I'm considering it 1/350th, especially since everybody else seems to be now too. And that's it.